Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea for glamour theme and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this item and then I'm going to change the pattern to this one, this black pattern, and then we're going to go to the skirt, and then I'm going to wear this skirt and color it black. Then I'm going to make it glitter. We can go to this plus icon and change it to glitter. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this stocking area right here. Then I'm gonna wear this stocking and we can change the pattern. Wait, let me scroll down and I'm going to wear this pattern. Alright, and I'm going to wear hand socks as well and color it black. Let me color it black. Okay, and I'm going to move to the shoes area and I'm going to wear this one. Alright, and let's move to the necklace area. And then I'm going to wear this one. Okay, and then I'm going to color it black. Alright, and I'm going to wear one of the earrings here. I'm gonna use this one for example. Alright, and then I'm going to wear this bag. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.